Hey everybody, this is your boy JK back with another card video. Today's episode, we'll be opening up one Vivid Booster Pack. Trying to get that Rainbow Pikachu. Let's go. Give me 1 minute. Trying to open this pack. Now it became a Celebi pack. Well, actually, no, it is a Celebi pack. Whoops. Alright, let's get on with the show. Open up the pack here. Give me 1 second. Alright, here's the code card. Peace. 4 card trick. Fire. We got dark. Or is it metal? I forget. Let's go. We got ROM. Put the light on. Alright, here we go. Aromatic Energy. Heroes Metal. Hitmon Top. Whooper. Tedede. Pikipek. Oh. Chulo. Riolu. Explode as a reverse. And whoa, we got the secret rare Oranguru. Damn, this is a nice card. Woo! We got a hit, boys and girls. Hope you enjoyed the video. Peace out.